Hello and welcome to the first lecture of this new topic on building a network and learning from experts to master the business analytics. So in this particular section, we will give you a good view, in-depth view of how to build a network and learn from experts. And we will begin by talking about in this lecture of which organizations to join to build a network and learn from experts, right? Let's take a look at that. So, what are the things before we do that? Let's take a look at what are the things that you need to do to build a network and learn from experts. Any thoughts? There are three things. One, you need to join the professional communities, organizations like Informs or local data science meetups. Second, you need to seek mentors in the field of business analytics to guide your learning and career progression. And third, you need to read books, follow blogs, and attend webinars to stay informed about the best practices in industry trends in the spirit of continuous learning. So these are the three things that you need to do. Let's take a look at first one, which organizations to join to build a network and learn from experts. Any thoughts? So, before we take a look at the list of organization, basically let's understand that building a network and learning from experts is a critical for advancing your business analytics. And here we will look at a list of organizations, communities, and platforms that you can join to connect with industry professionals and enhance your knowledge. Let us take a look at these list of organizations. So let's take a look at first the professional organizations and association. And here I have for you is a big list of organizations that you can use, and the top of the list going from top in the top row from left to right is Informs, Institute of Operations Research and Management Sciences, then IIBA, International Institute of Business Analytics Analysis, then DAMA, International Data Management and Association International, ASA, American Statistical Association, and IEEE Computer Society. Now, I'm not going to read all the text here. You can come back and take a look at. In the first row, we have talked about what do they each of these focus, what are the benefits, and what is the website. So, based on your needs, you can decide which organizations to join to build network and continue learning. The second type of organization you should join is the online communities and forum. And here again, I have a list of online communities and forums right at the top, which are like Kaggle, Reddit, Stack Overflow, and LinkedIn groups. And some of them we have talked about earlier, right? So come and take a look at in terms of what are the individual focuses, what are the benefits, and what are the websites to decide which one are most suitable. And you could use multiples, right? There's no restriction on that. So choose the right online communities and forums for you to build network and continue learning. The third are conferencing and networks, and here there are a few specific instances and we haven't talked about them. So, what are the things there? There are four key conferences and network events. One is Gartner Data and Analytics Summit, in which you can learn about data analytics trends and best practices and benefit by networking with top analysts and executives. Then there's Strata Data Conference, where again the focus is big data, AI analytics, and you get hands-on training and sessions with industry leaders. Then Tableau Conference, where you can learn about data visualization and analytics using Tableau, and where you can get the benefit of workshops and networking with Tableau experts. Then there is PyData conferences where on Python for data analysis, machine learning, and AI, and you can get these are community-driven events with practical sessions. So these are some of them, and based on your preferences and needs and match with your plans, you could choose which conferences and network events to attend. Then there are certifications with networking benefits, right? And here we have talked about some of them. So you could look at Google Data Analytics Network certificate, Google Analytics certificate, which gives you, which focuses on foundational data analytics skills, and you get access to Google's career certificate network. Also, we have talked about this earlier, Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate, where the focus is Power BI and data modeling, and you can join with that Microsoft certified community. And also AWS certified data analytics, where the focus is on AWS analytics and where you can network within AWS certification circles. So see which one work for you, and many of them you can join at the same time. Then there are local meetups and communities. Now there are two main forums that you can use. One is meetup.com and second is Toastmasters. Now basically on meetup.com look for groups focused on data analytics and machine learning, and it will help you network and learn from your peers. Toastmasters can build your communication presentation skills, and you can learn to present analytics data effectively. Then online learning platforms with peer interaction, there are four of them. You could look at Coursera, where there are community within courses, like applied data sciences and business analytics, and there you can engage in discussion and projects with global learners. Second one is EDX as a learning platform, online learning platform, where you can use the MicroMasters program in business analytics that often have networking opportunities. Then on Udemy, you can join discussions in the group forums to connect with instructors and students. And then there's DataCamp that includes a community section for connecting with other learners. So like this, you can choose where to do online learning, which platform to do the online learning, and where you can also do peer interactions. Then there are industry specific learning events, learning things that you can do. For marketing analytics, if you want to build career, you can join organizations like Digital Analytic Association, DAA. Then for finance analytics, you can network with CFA institutes or Financial Management Association. And for healthcare analytics, you can engage with Healthcare Management Information and Management System Society, HIMSS. By joining all these organizations that we have taken you through in this lecture, you can expand your professional network, stay updated with industry trends, and gain valuable insight from experts in business analytics. So, what is next? So, having looked at which professional communities and organizations to join, we will look at how to seek mentors in the field of business analytics to guide your learning and career progression. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on building a network and learning from experts in this course, Master in Business Analytics. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture. Please feel free to message me if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer your questions, and do download the PDF file to take a look at anything that you need to.